everyone, and welcome back to Mr. and Mrs. English Studio, the place where learning English is easy, fun, and stress-free. I'm Mira.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alex. And yes, I'm already smiling because I'm very hungry today.
Hungry already? Oh, wow, Alex. We just started the video.
I know. But today's lesson is about food, so my stomach is very happy.
That makes sense. Today we are learning English at the restaurant.
That's right. This is an easy English conversation for beginners.
If you are new to English, don't worry at all. Speak slowly, listen carefully, and enjoy learning with us.
Yes, you don't need perfect English. You just need to practice a little every day.
In this lesson, you will learn how to order food, talk to a waiter, and ask for the bill in English.
These are real English sentences you can use in real life.
So imagine you're in a restaurant with us.
Sit down, relax, and maybe grab a snack.
Are you ready to learn English with Mira and Alex?
Great! Let's start our lesson.
Let's go to the restaurant. Wow, Alex! Look at this restaurant.
Oh, it looks very nice. I like it already.
Yes, it's very clean and bright.
And it smells good, too. Oh, no. Now I'm more hungry.
You are always hungry.
That's true. Food makes me happy.
Okay, let's go inside.
Yes, let's go.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, the restaurant is not very crowded.
That's good. We can sit and talk quietly.
Yes, it's perfect for us.
Where should we sit?
Let's sit near the window.
Good idea. I like the window seat.
Me too. Oh, look, here is a table.
Great. Let's sit here.
Okay, I'm sitting down.
Me too. Oh, this chair is comfortable.
That's good.
I hope the food is comfortable too.
Alex, food can't be comfortable.
Oh, right. I mean, delicious.
Let's look around.
Yes, the restaurant is very calm.
I like this place.
Me too. Oh, I think the waiter will come soon.
Yes, get ready.
I'm ready and hungry. Oh, Mira, I see the waiter.
Yes, the waiter is coming to our table.
Okay, be calm. We can speak English.
Yes, we can. Speak slowly and smile.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant.
Hello, thank you.
Hi, thank you very much.
How many people?
2 people, please.
Okay. Please follow me.
Okay, thank you.
Here is your table.
Oh, this table is nice.
Yes, very nice.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here are your menus.
Oh, wow, a menu. My favorite book.
Aha, Alex?
Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, please.
Oh, yes, please.
What would you like to drink?
I would like water, please.
I would like water too, please.
Okay. 2 glasses of water.
Yes, thank you.
Do you need more time?
Yes, please. We need a few minutes.
Yes, a few minutes.
No problem. Take your time.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
That was easy.
Yes, talking to the waiter is not scary.
See, English is easy when you practice.
Yes, and the waiter is very friendly.
Okay, now let's look at the menu.
Yes, the most important part.
Okay, Alex, let's look at the menu.
Yes, this is my favorite moment.
Please read slowly.
I am reading slowly, I think.
What do you see on the menu?
I see burgers, pizza, pasta, and salad.
That's a good menu.
Yes, but now I have a big problem.
Oh no, what is the problem?
I want everything.
You can only choose one.
Okay.
Let me think.
Take your time.
The cheeseburger looks good.
Yes, it does.
Oh, and the chicken burger looks good too.
Alex?
I know. Only one.
What about drinks?
Oh, good question.
Look here.
I see water, juice, and soda.
What would you like to drink?
Water is good for me.
Very healthy.
What are you going to order, Mira?
I think I want pasta.
Pasta. Nice choice.
Yes, it's simple and tasty.
Simple is good, but cheese is better.
Alex, do you understand everything on the menu?
Not everything.
That's okay.
Yes, I can ask the waiter.
Exactly. You can say, "What do you recommend?"
Oh, that sounds good. What do you recommend?
Are you ready to order now?
Yes, I think so.
Think carefully.
Okay, I choose the cheeseburger.
Good choice.
Yes, decision made.
Let's close the menu.
Okay, menu closed.
Now we wait for the waiter.
Waiting again. Oh no.
Be patient.
I'll try.
Oh, Mira, I see the waiter again.
Good. That means it's time to order.
Okay, deep breath. I can do this.
Yes, you can. Speak slowly and be polite.
Hello again. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are ready.
Yes, ready and hungry.
Great. What would you like?
I would like pasta, please.
Okay. What kind of pasta would you like?
I would like tomato pasta, please.
Sure.
Thank you.
And you, sir?
Yes, I would like a cheeseburger, please.
Would you like fries with that?
Oh, yes, please.
Of course he wants fries.
Always.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you.
Let me think.
Alex,
Okay. No, thank you.
What would you like to drink?
I would like water, please.
Water for me too, please.
Okay, 2 waters.
Yes, thank you.
Is everything correct?
Yes,
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Your food will be ready soon.
thank you very much.
Thank you. I am very excited.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Thank you. I will.
See, Alex, ordering food is easy.
Yes, I didn't make a mistake.
You did very well.
English plus food, perfect lesson. Okay, now we wait.
Yes, the food is coming soon.
Soon feels very long when you are hungry.
That's true.
I am very hungry now.
Me too. But waiting is part of eating out.
I don't like this part.
Be patient, Alex.
What time is it?
It's almost lunchtime.
Oh, no. Perfect time to be hungry.
Look around and relax.
The restaurant is very calm.
Yes, the music is soft.
I like this music.
Me too. It makes waiting easier.
Mira, can you smell the food?
Yes, it smells delicious.
Oh, wow. Now I'm extra hungry.
Sorry.
Do you think the food will be good?
I think so.
I hope so.
Stay positive.
While we wait, let's practice English.
Good idea.
Okay. I am waiting for my food.
Good. Say it again slowly.
I am waiting for my food.
Perfect.
Oh, I see the waiter.
Yes, I see him too.
Is that our food?
Maybe. Let's see.
Please be ours.
Waiting is almost over.
Thank goodness.
Get ready.
I'm ready and starving. Oh, Mira, look.
Yes, the waiter is coming.
Is that our food?
I think so.
Yes. I see a burger.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Here is your pasta.
Wow, it looks delicious.
And here is your cheeseburger with fries.
Oh, yes. Oh, that looks amazing.
Please be careful. The plate is hot.
Okay, thank you for telling us.
Hot food is good food.
Alex,
Just kidding.
Here are your waters.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Do you need anything else?
No, thank you.
No, we are good. Very good.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Thank you. I will enjoy it a lot.
Wow, the food looks so nice.
Yes, this is a beautiful burger.
You sound very serious.
I am serious about food.
Okay, let's eat.
Yes, please.
But first, let's say thank you.
Thank you, food.
Oh, Alex. Is it good?
Yes, very good.
Great.
Wow, this burger is very good.
And my pasta is delicious too. Perfect.
I am so happy. Food makes me happy very fast.
Yes, food is amazing, especially when it smells good and looks nice.
Oh, yes. Smell, taste, and look. The burger has cheese, lettuce, and tomato. Perfect combination.
You are very detailed, Alex.
The fries are very crunchy. I love crunchy fries.
I like them too. Oh, the pasta is soft and tasty.
Yes. The sauce is very good. Tomato sauce is my favorite.
Tomato sauce is yummy. I agree with you.
Mira, do you like eating out?
Yes, I like it very much. It's fun and relaxing.
And sometimes it's funny. Like when we choose the food, it takes a long time.
Yes, choosing food is always the hardest part.
Mira, do you want to try my fries?
Okay, just one.
Here you go.
Very good. Crunchy and salty.
Yes, I told you.
Alex, eating is not only for hunger, it's for happiness too.
Oh, yes. Eating with friends is the best.
Exactly. And practicing English while eating? Even better.
Yes. English plus food equals perfect lesson. I think I am full now.
Me too. But it was very tasty.
Yes, very tasty. Maybe next time dessert.
Yes, maybe. Okay, Alex. Now, after eating, we need to ask for the bill.
Oh no, the bill. But yes, you are right.
It's part of the restaurant conversation.
Okay, let's do it. Mira, I am full. I cannot eat another bite.
Me too, Alex. But now, we need to ask for the bill.
Oh no, the bill. I always feel nervous.
Don't be nervous. It's very easy in English.
Okay, deep breath.
Yes, you can say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me. Did I say it right?
Perfect. Now wait for the waiter.
Yes? Can I help you?
Yes, can we have the bill, please?
Yes, can we have the bill?
Of course. One moment, please.
Thank you.
It's coming.
Here is your bill.
Thank you very much.
Oh, the total is, okay.
Alex, are you okay?
Yes. Just checking the numbers.
Don't worry. You can pay with cash or card.
Okay, card is easier.
Alex, don't forget to say thank you.
Of course. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Bye. See you next time. Whew, that was easy.
Yes, see? Asking for the bill is very simple.
Yes, I was nervous, but now I know how to do it.
Great. Now we can leave the restaurant happily.
Yes, happy and full. Okay, Mira, the bill is here. Time to pay.
Yes, Alex. Don't forget to be polite.
Polite. Got it.
Should we pay by card or cash?
Card is easier. I always forget cash.
Yes, card is safe and fast.
Okay, swipe time. Here's my card, please.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
Thank you.
Whew, I hope it works.
All done. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. That was easy.
Yes, see? Paying is simple.
Okay, now we can leave.
Yes, we finished eating and paid politely.
I am full, happy, and English smart.
Yes, Alex. Today we practiced ordering, eating, and paying in English.
Mira, should we say goodbye to the waiter?
Yes, always polite.
Bye, thank you.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Wow, that was fun. I learned a lot of English today.
Me too. We learned restaurant vocabulary, ordering food, asking for drinks, and paying the bill.
And don't forget, eating is also fun.
Yes, Alex. Thank you for learning English with us today.
Yes, practice English every day.
Bye, everyone. See you next time at Mr. and Mrs. English Studio.